Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Africa's Digital Frontier. Today we're diving into one of the most important parts of any computer, the software. In our last episode, we introduced the basics of computers and explained the types and component of computer. Today, we'll be focusing more on software, which I like to call the heart of the computer. The heart of computer. While hardware is like the body of the computer, software is what brings it to life. Without software, a computer would be like a machine with no purpose or ability to perform tasks. What is software? Software refers to a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Unlike hardware, which refers to the physical components of a computer, software is intangible and controls how the hardware works. It can be classified into two main categories. One, system software. This includes the operating system OS, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, which manages the hardware and software resources of the computer. It acts as a bridge between the computer's hardware and the user. Other examples are device drivers and utilities. Key functions of operating systems. File management. Organizes files on the hard drive, making it easy to store, retrieve, and delete data. Process management handles the execution of programs, ensuring that each application gets the CPU time it needs. Memory management allocates memory to different applications and manages its use to avoid conflicts. Device management controls hardware components like the keyboard, mouse, printer, and storage devices through drivers. Security and permissions protects the system from unauthorized access and allows different users to have different permissions. 2. Application software. These are programs that help users perform specific tasks. Examples include word processors, web browsers, games, and media players. Key functions of application software. Task-specific. Application software is created for specific tasks like writing, web browsing, graphic design, or playing music. User interaction. It provides a user-friendly interface to interact with the system. For example, MS Word has a menu and toolbar for formatting documents. Productivity tools. Application software often comes with additional tools or features to enhance productivity, like templates, plugins, or customizable settings. How software makes a computer work. 1. Operating system control. The operating system is the most critical piece of software in a computer. It manages the computer's memory, processes, and all its software and hardware. It allows the user to interact with the computer through a graphical interface or commands. 2. Execution of tasks. When you open an application, e.g., a web browser, the operating system loads it into memory. The CPU then follows the instructions provided by the software to perform the desired task, such as displaying a web page or playing music. 3. Hardware communication. Software communicates with the computer's hardware using device drivers, which tell the hardware components how to function. For example, the software tells the printer how to print a document or the hard drive how to store data. 4. Error handling and user interface. Software manages errors, ensures smooth communication between programs and hardware, and provides a user interface for people to interact with the system and give commands. Computer without software. A computer without any software is essentially useless. Here's what happens. No interaction. Without software, there's no operating system, OS, to provide an interface for interacting with the hardware. You wouldn't be able to communicate with the computer, as it lacks the means to interpret input from devices like a keyboard or mouse. Hardware cannot function. The hardware components, such as the CPU, memory, and storage, remain inactive because they don't have instructions to follow. The computer cannot perform any tasks without the guidance of software. No task execution. Basic tasks like typing a document, browsing the internet, or even starting the system would not be possible. The computer remains idle, just a collection of unused physical parts. No storage or retrieval. Even though a computer may have a hard drive or SSD, without system software, e.g., an operating system, the machine cannot store or retrieve data. You can't save files, nor can you access any files stored on it. Computer with software. A computer with software, on the other hand, can perform a variety of useful tasks because it has both system software and application software. A computer without software is essentially a non-functional piece of hardware with no purpose, while a computer with software becomes a powerful tool capable of performing a wide range of functions. Software is essential because it transforms a computer from a mere collection of hardware into a device that can solve problems, enhance productivity, provide entertainment, and enable communication. Today we've learned that software is the heart of computer, driving its functionality and enabling us to perform various tasks. Without software, even the most powerful hardware would be useless. In our next episode, we'll go deeper into the role of computers in Africa's development. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I will be happy to answer them in the next video.